The Curiosity rover landed on Mars on August 6, 2012, as part of NASA's Mars Science mission. The rover's mission was to study the temperature and geology of Mars in order to determine whether or not humans could explore it in the future. Despite the rover's obvious objectives, many people wonder if the planet has already been inhabited. Strange and intriguing photographs from the rover have surfaced throughout the years, leading some to wonder what is really on the planet and what the rover's true purpose is. On Mars, these 5 oddities were found. Coming in at number 5 is the levitating orb. This fascinating photograph appears to show a sphere-shaped rock hovering a few inches above the ground. This image was taken 18,000 feet above the valley floor near Mount Sharp, a mountain on Mars. The item appears to be hovering at first glance, and we can even see a shadow thrown beneath it. Many people who believe in extraterrestrials have speculated that it could be advanced technology, yet these kinds of images can deceive us. It's possible that the camera angle gives the impression that it's hovering while it's actually laying on the ground. Number 4 is the pyramid, which was photographed by the Curiosity rover on May 7, 2015. Paranormal believers point out its near-perfect shape as proof of intelligent design rather than an optical illusion caused by light and shadows. This photograph is intriguing at first glance. It appears to be similar to the pyramids we are familiar with and see on Earth, and as we all know, there is a lot of discussion about how the pyramids were constructed. The structure in the photo, however, is most likely just a volcanic rock, according to a lead researcher for the Mars rover. Numerous volcanic rocks on Mars break and split in extremely sharp angular ways, yet many believers are disappointed that the image has been dubbed a rock. Physicists have even indicated that they believe humans have already colonized Mars, and that identifying an image as a rock will deter people from believing the truth. This remains a very interesting image. But is it the work of intelligent life or simply the work of Mother Nature?
Number 3, the rodent. Okay, so this is one often called the Mars rat that is sure to freak more than a few people out.
This rodent was first photographed by the Curiosity rover in September of 2012. When it was initially released, this photograph piqued the imagination of UFO enthusiasts. They claimed that they had found undeniable proof of life on Mars. The photo itself is quite clear, and when I first saw it, I thought it might have been tampered with, but it's simple enough to double-check on the NASA website. I wanted to make sure it was valid, so I went online to do some research. You can confirm for yourself that this is a NASA original photo. NASA scientists have stated this photo is just another rock, but that seems to be their go-to answer for everything, so tell us in the comments below what you think this photo depicts. Is it a rat, or are we seeing what we want to see? Number 2, the crab. This crab-looking object was photographed on Mars in late July 2015. The photo shows what appears to be an 8-legged crab or some type of arachnid. Speculation concerning the size of this varies from a few feet to the size of a small car. However, NASA scientists have only stated it to be optical illusion, such as when people view objects in the clouds. One scientist stated that people will see what they want to see and no amount of scientific evidence will convince them otherwise. Conspiracy theorists, however, are married to the crab theory. Number 1, the sand creature. This has become one of the most controversial photos returned from Mars to date. Mars Spirit Explorer sent this unbelievable photograph back to Earth, which seems to depict a walking humanoid-like creature that kind of resembles the American Bigfoot. Some enthusiasts have even speculated that this is proof Bigfoot lives on Mars and that's why he has evaded man for centuries. NASA scientists, however, state that this photograph again depicts a rock and not a very large one, stating its size to be only a few centimeters. What do you think? Could Mars already be home to life? Does Bigfoot live there and vacation on Earth? Let us know in the comments below. Here's something to consider. Astronomers estimate the universe's age to be between 13 and 15 billion years old, and it's crucial to remember that our Milky Way galaxy is just one among billions in space. There are countless mysteries in the universe. In 1977, for example, We received a 72-second transmission from deep space. Its origin has yet to be discovered. Whether intelligent life does indeed exist on Mars or anywhere else continues to evade us. Tell us what you think. Is there life out there, or are we alone? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video and would like to see more content like it, please support our channel by hitting that subscribe button and tapping the bell icon so you will receive notifications when we upload again. Thank you.